Introducing the 1937 Chevrolet Legends sedan, a unique piece of automotive history. This classic comes equipped with a 2018 chassis and has been driven only 300 miles. It features a manual transmission and is finished in a clean white exterior. The vehicle is powered by a 1250 engine with fewer than 18 races on it, last raced on dirt. It includes a 358 rear-end gear, 2 extra wheels, extra oil, a filter, and a car jack. This car is perfect for racing enthusiasts or those looking for a project vehicle. Pickup is required in Longs, South Carolina. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of racing heritage. Presenting the 1966 Oldsmobile 88 Dynamic Sedan, a true classic with a 455 rocket engine. This vehicle has been driven 34,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, a stunning gold exterior with a matching brown interior, and runs on petrol. With only 2 owners, it boasts a clean history and is in remarkable condition. The interior is exceptionally clean, free of odors or leaks. This is a ready-to-drive, head-turning classic that combines power and style. Located in Morganton, Georgia, it's perfect for collectors or enthusiasts looking to add a pristine vintage car to their collection. Introducing the 1961 Morris Minor Series 2 Woody, a charming British classic perfect for restoration. This vehicle, finished in a lovely blue exterior with a matching blue interior, has been driven 300 miles and features a manual transmission. It is powered by a petrol engine and comes with all parts intact, including new additions such as an HEI distributor. While the brakes need repairs, including a master cylinder and lines, this vehicle is an excellent restoration project for enthusiasts. Offered with a bill of sale only, it's ready to be transformed into a stunning showpiece. Here is a rare opportunity to own a 1939 Oldsmobile G39 sedan, an exciting hot rod project. This car, stored since the 1970s, includes its original engine, non-functional, no transmission, and free-moving brakes and rear end. The green exterior and interior showcase its vintage charm, with solid door hinges and latches. While the front floors need patching and the glass requires replacement, the overall structure remains in great shape. With a good Missouri title in hand, this vehicle is ready for a new chapter as a custom project or restored classic. Located in Billings, Missouri, this gem is a must-see for hot rod enthusiasts. Introducing the 1948 Plymouth P15 rat rod / street rod project. This vintage beauty is equipped with a 2003 350 crate motor and 350 turbo transmission, although it is not currently running. The vehicle has a rustic patina with a blue exterior and gray interior. It comes with several new parts to complete the project. The car's body and framework offer a solid foundation for customization. Whether you're into rat rods or street rods, this Plymouth is an ideal candidate for your next project. Located in North Charleston, South Carolina, it's a great opportunity for an enthusiast ready to invest time and effort into a rewarding build. Introducing the 1949 Ford F1, a vintage truck with timeless appeal. This classic vehicle, finished in green, features a manual transmission and is equipped with a flathead V8 engine. While the engine is currently stuck, the doors, windows, and clutch function as they did when new. The truck retains its factory heater and a 3-speed floor transmission. Although there's no title, this F1 is a solid restoration candidate with its charming patina and robust structure. Located in Hurricane, West Virginia, it's perfect for a buyer seeking an authentic piece of automotive history. Introducing the 1949 Studebaker R10, a remarkable all-original 3/4-ton truck. This classic, with a brown exterior and interior, features a column-shift manual transmission and a flathead 6-cylinder engine. The vehicle is in running and driving condition, making it an excellent candidate for enthusiasts looking for a vintage truck with character. Located in Yukon, Oklahoma, this Studebaker combines functionality with historic charm, ready to join a collector's garage or hit the road for weekend drives. Introducing the 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe, a beautifully maintained and road-ready classic. This two-door vehicle, featuring a blue exterior and gray interior, is powered by a petrol engine with a 3-speed column transmission. It retains its original 6-volt negative ground system and has undergone recent upgrades, including a new muffler, brakes, master cylinder, and battery. While the interior is fair, with some door cards needing reupholstering, the seats are in good condition. This solid and quiet-running Plymouth is garage-kept and ready for its next owner. Located in Chester, New Jersey, it offers a perfect blend of vintage charm and reliability. Introducing the 1951 Chevrolet Wayfairer Sedan, a classic project car with great potential. Driven 60,000 miles, this vehicle features a fluid-drive pneumatic transmission and an inline-6 engine. While the transmission requires attention, the car runs and drives smoothly. The solid body, original paperwork, and owner's manual add to its vintage charm. This Chevrolet is a solid project for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Located in Palestine, Texas, it's ready to be transformed into a show-stopping classic. Presenting the 1951 Studebaker Bullet Nose, a two-door custom project car with unmatched potential. This gray classic with a blue interior retains its original engine and manual transmission, although it is not currently running. The vehicle rolls easily on 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels and is offered with a bill of sale. With its iconic bullet nose design and solid body, this Studebaker is a perfect starting point for a restoration project. Located in Richmond, Kentucky, it's a must-see for classic car enthusiasts. Introducing the 1952 Plymouth Cambridge, a classic vehicle driven 70,000 miles and equipped with a manual transmission. The striking blue exterior highlights its timeless appeal. This car runs and drives beautifully, featuring a 6-cylinder engine and a clean title. The interior is in very nice condition, making it an excellent candidate for enthusiasts looking for a classic daily driver or a restoration project, a well-preserved piece of automotive history, ready to find its next owner. Next up, we have the 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air Coupe, driven 80,349 miles with an automatic transmission. The green exterior adds a touch of vintage charm to this project car, which runs and drives and comes with a Nebraska title. Although it needs some attention, this classic Chevrolet holds great potential for a full restoration or to bring it back to its form. Presenting the 1953 Studebaker Commander sedan, a solid vehicle driven 100,000 miles. With a white exterior and an automatic transmission, it runs and drives well, making it a great starting point for any classic car enthusiast. This car is virtually rust-free, providing an excellent foundation for a restoration project or as a dependable cruiser with a bit. Here is the 1954 Chrysler New Yorker Deluxe Coupe, showcasing a gray exterior and driven 39,000 miles. Powered by a Hemi motor, this vehicle offers a lot of potential for the right buyer. While most of the interior and trim pieces are included, it requires some assembly and work. This car is a promising project for those looking to restore a classic with character. Bring a trailer and your vision to make this vintage gem shine. Introducing the 1954 Pontiac Star Chief Deluxe, a striking red and blue classic with 87,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with a Pontiac straight-8 engine and a Hydromatic 4-speed transmission, this car runs well but requires work, including a radiator and brakes. The body is in exceptional condition with minimal rust, making it an excellent candidate for restoration. With numerous options such as power steering and heated seats, this car has the makings of a showstopper.